In today's video, I'm going to explain you that how you can use the advanced pipes in Angular. In this video, I will tell you that how you can use the params with the pipes and use two pipes at the same time, and the number pipes, slice pipe and the JSON pipe. So this is a continuous series of the last video. So for in this, I will first mention let me play with this. For instance, title. For title, how I can use this, let me use this slice here, and for slice, mm, let me use 3. So and see that by using the slice, okay, you can see that this is an advanced pipe demo, and if I use the slice, that mean 1, 2 or 3, so it's starting from the fourth index. So I mentioned that cut it down, that and not show the first 3 values and started from the 4 index. So but now I want that, for instance, that I should display till 6, right? So so here you can see that I'm using the second params as well, right? So let's see the magic, that how it's working. You can see that now it will display the value from this index A and C. Yeah, it's mean 4 5 6. It will display up to the display from the 4 5 6, right? So okay, so slice param is done. Now we will see, we will work with the number pipe, with a number pipe. So this is a some tricky part, and you have to keep attention to this one. So for instance, if I use some sort of number like a number 3000, 3000 dot 4000, and if I have to apply some pipes on this, then how can I apply that? Just keep focus on this and keep attention. Let's say this 2 is basically that the first index, first before the dot, it should have at least 2 values, right? So and the after that I want that it should display at least 2 values after the dots, and max 3. So let's see that how what will be the result here. You can see there 3000.40. so it's mean as I mentioned that it should have the 2. So you can see it here that after the dots is just displaying the 2 values, because I set up the minimum 2 and maximum 3 after the dot, right? So you can see it here. But now if I change this 2 to 3 and set up 4 here, then it should have the 400, right? You can see it here. So by using this pipe you can play with this one. And but if I want that it should display like minimum 2, then what will be the result in this case? Now let's see. It should have no impact before this, because 3000 is a valid value and it will ignore all the zero before that. But if I want that I should display, like for instance, let me show you one more thing, like this. Let me show you 3.4, and after that what I want, the number should be 2 and 2 to 3, for instance, right? So in this case what you will say, that what will be the result of this one? So it's saying that minimum it should have a 2, and after dot it should have minimum 2 values. So it's mean that in this case, if I'm asking that it should have minimum 2 value, so it will add the 2, it will on display it will add the 0 before that one, right? So let's see whether it's working or not. So you can see it here 03.40. so because I mentioned it minimum 2 after dot, so I'm setting the 1, so minimum, so it will come up with the 03.40. 03.40, you can see it here. So this is the very important interesting pipe, right, in Angular. So now let's play with it some JSON. For the JSON part, let's make some sort of object here with a name. For instance, let me write object name Kaleem, age 150, email ID could be like this. So let me play with this. Okay, now I'm going to play with this user So let's see how it works. So for user part, let me add something, h3 dot user user user, and now I'm going to add let me first show you the user without any slice, without any pipe. So now I'm going to apply the pipe of this. I will apply the JSON here, and then we'll see, as you notice that it was displaying only the object. Now if I use the JSON, then it will display the entire object details. So you can see it here, it's showing everything. So if you want that JSON should be uppercase, for instance, you can also use another pipe, right? So here you can see that it's displaying everything here. So I believe that you will guys able to learn something new today. So in my next video, I'm going to explain you that how we can make a custom pipe. So please stay tuned with my channel, please connect with this channel, keep grow yourself. Thank you for watching this video.